Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by restoring the wireless radios. This is why we act now. First, verify there's no physical wireless switch or airplane mode key. Many Dell laptops use FN plus F2. Next, open the Action Center with Win plus A or click the network icon in the taskbar to access quick network toggles. Make sure you're signed into an admin account because enabling adapters may require permissions. Once done, you'll be ready to toggle airplane mode off and check the radio state. Now you toggle airplane mode off and let the radios reinitialize. In Action Center, click the airplane mode tile or go to Settings Network and Internet Airplane Mode and flip the switch to off. You'll see Wi-Fi and Bluetooth icons repopulate. Wait 2 to 3 seconds so the system restarts the wireless stack. If Wi-Fi doesn't appear, open Device Manager, expand network adapters, and enable any disabled adapter. This restores the driver-level connection so Windows can finish by confirming connections and handling a common failure. Open the Wi-Fi network list, select your SSID and connect. Re-enter the password if prompted, because radios reset can forget cached credentials. Make sure the airplane icon is gone from the taskbar and enable Bluetooth if you need it. If you still can't get online, run the Windows Network Troubleshooter or reinstall the wireless driver in Device Manager. This fixes driver corruption and often resolves stubborn airplane.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.